Okay, hello guys, this is Tushar again, and today I'm going to try to solve the Rubik's cubes in my best time. So this is the clock, and this is perfectly messed up cube. So you can see it's perfectly messed up. So let me try to solve it as fast as I can. So on the clock of three, on the mark of three, I'll start this. So let me have a look. Okay, so start. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it's perfectly solved, and you can see the time. Actually, this is my perfect best. This is 3 minutes 25 seconds. So you can see the cube is perfectly solved. So this is also my personal best until now I have recorded. So thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned. See you next time. Thank you.